Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have another fun summer solar light DIY for you. I picked up this solar light at the Dollar Tree the other day. It's like a plastic cup with like dimples all over it, and I thought we could combine it together with one of the metal candlesticks from Dollar Tree and maybe some marbles to make something pretty. I wanted mine to be beachy blue, so I'm going to use this color. It's like almost a turquoise color of spray paint. I find that when I paint like metal candlesticks like this from the Dollar Tree, spray paint is usually the easiest method. So I just turn them both upside down. I spray them. I did tape off the little light on the inside of the solar light there to not get paint on it, but I'm going to paint both sides, and it will make it all look cohesive together. The plastic and the metal will hopefully look the same. If you do like the black color, the top of it was already black, you could just leave it the same color, or you can customize yours any color you want. I did protect the top of the solar light with just a piece of cardboard there so that I could spray paint these. And again, just spray painting top and bottom, all sides, just one coat seemed to be enough to give me pretty good coverage on these. And I've been trying to find something to do with those metal candlesticks from Dollar Tree, and I think this is a really fun application. Now, I probably should have used painter's tape because I did have some bleed through underneath the cardboard, so you might want to take the extra time to do that. But I was able to clear it up, and now we can start putting this together. These are blue glass marbles that I got at Dollar Tree that I think are so pretty, and I think these are going to look really great lit up under the solar light at night. So I can just pop the lid right back on here. I'm going to use some strong glue, some Gorilla Glue Clear Grip, because it's going to be outside, but I'm going to combine it also with some hot glue on the inside, not really having the glues touch, and glue it to the top. This is how it turned out. I think it's really pretty during the day, and at night it glows magnificent. It has a great light pattern as well.